if you are in situation, you're doing calibration, you did some repair, and you don't have a neutral. Don't have. So, do calibration again, or by wire, or by scanner, no matter. Do calibration again, then you're doing calibration, blah blah blah, turn off ignition, then you put the camera there and need to see and need to hear all movement and all noises that coming from the clutch actuator and the gearbox. Okay? Once again, you're doing calibration by wire, blah blah blah, brake, ignition, turning off, then you take your camera, take your phone, you put it somewhere here that it will see the shaft of the clutch actuator. You see this shaft. You put it on the battery like this, for example, and then turn on recording the video, and then go to turn ignition on, and we will see it will happen something or not happen something, and what noises will come in. Okay, now I will show you this without words, how it looks. Okay. Don't need the move, don't need blah blah blah, the phone like this, not like this. Just put the phone here, put the phone here and make the video of here. That's all. Okay.